how to connect OKX Wallet with Pixelverse Dashboard. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your OKX Wallet with the Pixelverse Dashboard. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Pixelverse Dashboard and click on the Connect Any Wallet button. Over here, you will see a list of wallets. Select the OKX wallet. After that, go to your OKX account, then click on Deposit, choose Deposit Crypto, and search for USDT. Next, generate your wallet address. Once you have the wallet address, copy it and paste it back into the Pixelverse dashboard. Finally, click Made It and your wallet will be successfully connected. So that's how you can connect your OKX wallet with the Pixelverse dashboard. That's all for this video.